When it comes to keeping your Maxus running smooth, every component matters. This is the dual mass flywheel OEM number C00480229, engineered for SAIC Maxus National 6 Series, V80, V90, T60, G10, G20, and more. Designed to absorb torsional vibrations, reduce drivetrain noise, and protect your gearbox from premature wear. That means smoother shifting, quieter operation, and longer lasting performance. Brand new, factory tested, and ready to ship. Full stock available for immediate dispatch. MaxusParts, your trusted source for genuine Maxus spare parts. Visit MaxusPart.com to order.